How to fix any missing network adapter in Windows 11. Is your Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter missing in Windows 11? Don't worry. Today I'll show you step by step how to fix it. So first go ahead and check your device manager. So click on WinX on your keyboard and then select device manager from here. And then on the device manager, go ahead and expand network adapters. If you don't see your adapter, click on view at the top and then click on show hidden devices. Still missing? Let's move on. So if it's still missing, another thing you can do is to go ahead and update or install drivers. So if it is not listed, go to your laptop or PC's manufacturer support site and download the latest Wi-Fi or Ethernet drivers. Install them and restart your computer. Now, if that doesn't work as well, what you can do is to run your troubleshooter. So next, run the network adapter troubleshooter. Click on WinI on your keyboard to open settings, and then from here, head over into the system tab. And then on the system tab, go ahead and look for troubleshoot. And then from here, go ahead and select other troubleshooters and let Windows automatically detect and fix issues. Now, if that doesn't work as well, another thing you can do is to enable adapters. So click on WinR on your keyboard and then enter ncpa.cpl. And then click on the OK button and check if your adapter is disabled. Right click and select enabled. And lastly, you can go ahead and reset your network settings. So as a last resort, reset your network settings. So go ahead and click on WinI on your keyboard, and then on your settings, head over to the network and internet tab, and then look for advanced network settings, and then select network reset. This reinstalls all adapters and restores defaults. So there you go. Check device manager, update drivers, run the troubleshooter, and reset your network if needed. If none of this work, your adapter may be faulty and you'll need a USB Wi-Fi or Ethernet adapter as a backup. And that is how you can basically fix a missing network adapter in Windows 11.